Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Today is no disappointment. I have an interesting feature for you, where which I'll be sharing you a discussion which I had with an awesome fish farm member. Now stay tuned as we delve in this chat. Smile for me, Jamaica, and I said smile. So today we have an awesome family hashtag fish farm member. This person is none other than Jeremy. Jeremy from Jeremy Wise Studio. Jeremy, what's up? How are you? What's that in your hand, man? No, sir. Leave with snake business, sir. Snake bite.
Hey, Riley, thanks for having me. I hope you don't mind, but I'm handling my new little bleach noodle, Charles, here.
Charles. Charles.
While we do this interview, Charles is a blue-eyed leucistic ball python, and he's just a hatchling. I just got him this weekend, and I'm still getting him used to handling, so I'm going to handle him during this interview.
All right, brother.
How many aquariums do I currently own? Well, let's see. I've got my aquarium at work, which is a little 3.5-gallon tank with a single male betta in it. Out in the other room there, I've got a little 3-gallon bowl with a single female betta in it. I've got my 20-gallon long with my shell dwellers, and I've got my 29-gallon community tank. So that's 4 already, and now in this room, just over to the side over there, I've got a little 2.5-gallon tank with another female betta in it. And behind me, I've got that tank that used to be my sorority tank, and it's been broken down. And then right here, right there, that is a 20-gallon long tank that has my leopard gecko Ghost in it. This tank right here, this is my male betta Dart. I've had him the longest out of all the fish I have right now. This one down in the corner over here is my Axolotl. That's a 20-gallon long. This one just above it is another 10-gallon that has some African dwarf frogs in it. We've got another 10-gallon divided with 2 bettas, and then up there is another 10-gallon with my pea puffers in it. So let's see.
1 at work, and then 1, 2, 3 out there, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. I have 12 fish tanks. Do I have a special interest in aquarium plants? Yes and no. I mean, I do like aquarium plants. I enjoy having a planted tank. Obviously, these plants are real here. Those plants are real up there. All those Marimo balls are real. All those dead plants there are real. I've got real plants out in the community tank. So yeah, I do like aquarium plants. But as far as a special interest in any particular species, easy plants that will do well under inappropriate light, like an LED strip. That's the kind of plants I like. So currently, my favorite fish tank, I have 2. It's a toss-up between my shell dweller tank and my axolotl tank. But if we want to say specifically just fish, I'm going to have to go with the shell dwellers because the axolotl is an amphibian. Now, my reason why I like the shell dweller tank the most is, well, I mean, honestly, it's kind of, not only is it really awesome to watch, but it's a really easy tank to take care of. I don't have any plants in there. I just have like a little bit of a lava rock hardscape and then just some sand and shells, and that's it. When I clean that tank, I don't even really gravel vac because, I mean, I would really mess up all the bulldozing and arranging of the sand and the shells that the fish have done if I were to try to gravel vac. So it's fine though because they reproduce, they breed like crazy, and the fry eat all of the little pieces of detritus that collect up between the shells. Oh, my specialization isn't really even in fish keeping. I mean, as far as my fish keeping goes, I'm really just a hobbyist. I'm someone who enjoys keeping pets. I like to keep species that I feel make good pets, not just, pretty fish. So, that's why I like betas. That's why I like my axolotl. That's why I like my pea puffers, because I like pets. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Clearly, I like pets. And that's really kind of the focus of my channel, is not so much just fish. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of fish, but it's pets. I have a dog, I have a snake, I have a leopard gecko. So I'm really expanding beyond the whole just fish aspect of things. But I do have another area of speciality that I do incorporate in pretty much all of my videos that a lot of people haven't noticed, and that is that all of the music is original. I wrote and recorded all of the music myself. Well, almost all. Obviously, I've used clips from other songs for effect before. But if you check out my channel, you'll find a playlist called Animal Music Videos. And that is a place where I like to showcase my original music. Every single one of those is a music video to a song that I wrote that's completely my own original work. My main priority right now is just to have fun. I don't want to take it too serious. I don't want to make it into something where it's not fun anymore or it becomes a source of stress. This is my escape from stress. This is my enjoyment, and I want to keep it that way. But I mean, I do have some projects that I need to get taken care of, including this tank right here. I would say right now this is my biggest priority. Project-wise, but it's nothing too pressing. All of the animals that I have are taken care of and have everything that they need. I got my beta disaster taken care of. I would love to get my betas in some bigger tanks, but right now I'm just working with what I've got, and I'm not really in a rush because everybody's taken care of. Everybody is...
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another awesome individual within the fish keeping hobby, Jeremy's Wild Studio. It is hope that you will join me next week for part 2. Part 2, continuation of this interview, will be done next week. Thank you very much for being a part of this. Thank you very much for being a part of our audience. It is hope that you have enjoyed it. You can reach Jeremy at his channel within the link that is provided in the description below. See you next time. Bye bye for now.